Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to the class. Today we'll be looking at how you can claim a lot of coins for free. Okay, we're going to talk about the moggy airdrop, how you can claim 32 millions, how you can claim some coins out of the 32 million mem 20 points up for grabs. Okay, so you're gonna go into navigate yourself to this very place. Okay, if you reach this very place, then the next thing you just need to do is to search for this moggy. Okay, which is this one, moggy airdrop. Okay, if you search for this moggy airdrop, you're gonna going to click on it. But before I dive into it deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that this content can go viral and a lot of people can find value from it. Okay, so let's quickly begin. If you click on the moggy airdrop, you can see it. It's called the moggy airdrop 2024. Okay, July 30th, 7 a.m. to 2024, August 30th, 7 a.m. UTC. Moggy is building a Web3 entertainment brand based on the words on a character named Moggy, a range of entertainment. Okay, so let's see what are those activities you are to perform? What are those tasks you are to perform to be eligible to earn from this moggy airdrop? Okay, so you can see, let's scroll down here to see. You can see say follow bybit on web 3x. All right, these are one of the tasks. The second task says follow moggy sol on x. Let's see the other tasks. You can see the other task say create a personalized moggy meme using elements on the D app. Okay, the third one or the fourth one says earn from 500 to unlimited points by playing and sharing the moggy mission game. Okay, and finally is saying this: share a blink on X to win from an extra 2 million meme coin. Okay, tap start to generate your blink URL, share it on X, which is on Twitter, to receive a random cover for your blink. If you get a rare cover, you will be eligible for a cut of an extra 2 million mem 20 point. Okay, so we're gonna go into see how we can claim some of this extra 2 million mem coins on a moggy. Okay, so let's quickly go to the first one. The first one says follow it. Okay, we're gonna go, you're just going to click on this join now. Right, we'll click on join now. Okay, if you click on join now, it's going to ask you to connect your X account. Okay, we're gonna go into quickly connect the X account, but I'm gonna go into leave you to do this individually. Okay, individually, so that this video will not be a kind of too long. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to just click on this connect. So if you click on connect, it's going to take you to the X. Okay, it will take you to the X. So you're gonna going to say, you're gonna going to like authorize the app, right? So that one is connected successfully. Okay, you can see it's connected. It's connected successfully. We are now following what? Bybit. Okay, so the second one says follow moggy sol. So we're gonna going to click on this to follow moggy sol as well. So you're gonna going to come up here to click on follow. Okay, that one is done as well. So the, as you can see, that one is showing completed. So one also showing completed. So the total says create a personalized moggy meme using this. Okay, let's Okay, hide this warning until the higher risk is detected. Okay, then so if you do not get it, you can as well come to this place to take your tutorials. Okay, so what you just need to do is to join all these. You can see how we followed up from the top. You can join all these and as well join all these. Having joined all that, then your task will be completed. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.